In today's video, we are going to be doing a try-on and unboxing of our brand new festival lashes. First up is the Hippie Lash. The Hippie Lash is vibrant green and mink, and it has evenly distributed lashes to bring a full lash look. It's perfect for making a statement and giving off good vibes. Next up is the Hippie Lash. The Hippie Lash is bold and beautiful. It's a stunning fuchsia with a hint of black, and the brightest in our festival collection. It's perfect for deep set and almond eyes, with full color and drama that will enhance their size. Next up is the Dreamy Lash. The Dreamy Lash is full of magic and whimsy. It was created for all of your wildest dreams. In between dramatic and glam, this luxury mink lash is perfect in a stunning purple and teal blend. Next up is the Ruby Lash. The Ruby Lash was inspired by rubies, which are protective gems that promote positive energy. Our Ruby Lash is the perfect blend of vivid red and bright purple that brings colorful drama to big, beautiful eyes. Next up is the Party Lash. The Party Lash brings full drama with a blend of bright fuchsia and black. Tapered for the perfect cat eye and designed for mid to large size eyes, it's the lash that demands to be the life of any party. Next up is the Icy Lash. Get that snow-kissed look with our angelic Icy Lash. It's our first lash in gorgeous white. These lashes are full and evenly spaced for a bold look on almond and hooded eyes. That is it for our try-on of all of the festival lashes. We hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to our channel down below so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.